you are traveling with Ethiopian Airlines locally or internationally, this video is particularly for you for checking your ticket before how to check in. First of all, open your apps. Just for me, I have Ethiopian Airlines ET. So there is the app. If you don't have this app, you have to go to Play Store and download it, and then after sign it, and you can use freely. So open Ethiopian Airlines mobile app. Now once you open that, and the next step, what you have to do is coming after this, and you see in bottom right section you see check-in. So click in check-in, and in check-in what you have to do is just any flight, let's say any flight, and then what you have to do is you have to insert the booking reference or the ticket number in here. So for that case you have to go to your tickets. So for me, I have received the email in here, and this is the email, and there is my ticket. And then after, what I have to do is go to my booking reference or come here and ticket number. So I have a ticket number here. I can insert this ticket number, either this or either the booking reference. So let me copy this booking reference and copy it, and then go back to the Ethiopian Airlines ticket, and then look at your booking reference or ticket number. So let me copy and paste this booking reference, and then the next step is you have to insert the last name, your grandfather name. So click here and Kabada. So then after, what you have to do is at the bottom section you see continue. So click on continue. Right, so now you have to update this travel updates. Just you can see this all, and then let's say see the details about monkeypox. Just this is the detail. Then simply continue, and then your name appear at the top, okay, and your seat number is also appearing here. Now what you have to do is then look at. So after checking and clicking a boarding pass, you see every detail is here. So there is your flight time from Somalia to Addis Ababa at 4 a.m, economy class, seat number to Yen4J, and this all about the ticket number and terminal. So what you have to do now is just come here and click in save to gallery. Okay, click in save to gallery, and then after, finally the app generates an image which is a boarding pass. You have done a boarding pass, you have done a check-in. So directly go to your gallery, and then after you see this, look at this is already about this. This is zone 2, terminal 1, gate 1, departure from here, from this, and then so the boarding time is 3.5. Reach to the airport at 3.5. Okay, 3.5. This is the class, and there is the flight ET111. So it is all about how you can check in your ticket with Ethiopian Airlines mobile application. Alright, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and be a family for this, because we are doing such kind of technological and technical tips. God bless you. Thank you for doing that. See you soon. Bye bye.